how to change the performance and energy of your Windows 10 or 11 in easy fast way. So hello guys, first thing we do is we go to the down here, click on the start icon of Windows and then choose the settings option right here and choose the first option, system. Click on system and then you will have the power and sleep option. Click on it and as you can see, this is the performance and energy. You can now change it as you want, like the best energy savings and the better performance or best performance. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.